So these are my ingredients for today's recipe. Pork, on garlic, bean cake, or what we call this, fried tofu, bell pepper, and cabbage. So let's start cooking. So hello guys. So we start cooking now guys. So first, welcome to my channel's Chili's Journey. So ito na guys, maglagay na tayo ng olive oil. Yan, so this is enough. So I think this is the oil. So now we saute until slightly brown. The tofu, the bean curd, fried tofu or bean cake. Then the pork. Yung pork nga pala guys, ano siya, yung pork na, yung very thin yung slice niya. So I think I need to add a little bit of water to cook the pork and the bean curd. So ito nga pala guys, nag-add na ako ng konting tubig guys, so konti lang. Tapos niluto ko siya ng mga 3 minuto. So now we add the vegetables, all the vegetables, black pepper, and light soy sauce. So kailangan na siyang ukayin at i-mix nating mabuti. At dapat guys, hindi siya mag-overcook yung vegetables kasi pag mag-overcook yung vegetables guys, hindi na yan masarap. So yun nga pala guys, itong recipe na to guys, ginaya ko siya from pag kumain kami sa restaurant, mag-order kami ito minsan. Pero yung original ito guys sa restaurant ay meron siyang chili sauce. So hindi ako maglalagay nun kasi mayroong bata na kakain guys. So pero kung gusto niyo lutuin ito guys, pwede kayong maglagay ng konting chili sauce, konti, hindi masyadong maanghang. Pero wala rin kasi ako ngayon dito sa bahay guys, wala akong stock nun, kaya hindi na ako maglalagay. So ayan guys, I think, yeah, tama na ito. Yes, good, is masarap. So ito na siya guys, simpleng luto, lutong bahay lang. And thank you for watching and God bless us all. Bye bye!